you will go to news, press, and then this is a MB 20,000 and 20,038 and 40 something MB. Just I want to commode the at least 20 something gigabyte. Just have a 20,000 and 874 MB. Just go to apply, then press OK. Yeah. Now I have a 27.8 gigabyte. Just format. The next you have partition 250 2.5 gigabyte. Apply 20,099 MB. It will make 205.1 gigabyte. Each 20,099 MB, it will make 200.5 gigabyte. If you watch here, we have a 205.1 gigabyte. We have a 27.7 gigabyte. If you calculate the hard drive is 250 gigabyte. Just now I will partition the hard drive. So today I will show you that how you get, how you want, how you apply, how you supply, how you divide your hard drive partition by partition. Now I will leave it by partition 2. I want the window to be a window. I want to be the window in 220 and 27.7 gigabyte. Just now I want to go to next. I'm pressing here. Just I want to go to next. Just the window starts. So now disk and expanding window activating finalize towards the most reach 100%. If this thing will reach 100%, and then it start installation part first, and then installation updating, and then complete installation. When 1 2 3 4 5 complete, so now you are done it, complete your formatting. So thank you for watching my channel. If you want more and more information, subscribe my channel at YouTube, write in Arewa computers, and then subscribe my channel. Thank you.